Hey there, I'm Sara, head magic maker and founder here at the Sisters Enchanted, where it's our mission to make magic mainstream and help women all over the world conjure joy in their lives through a little bit of everyday magic. And I am talking to you today about a tarot spread for abundance. All right, so actually this tarot spread is going to identify what your abundance situation really is. When we think about abundance, we tend to think about money, and money is not the be all end all of abundance. And actually, it can be our lack of self-love that leads to a lack of financial abundance, our lack of confidence that leads to a lack of abundance. And in which case, we would need to focus on being abundant in love or abundant in confidence, right? See where I'm going with this? So let's look at this tarot spread to help you identify where you need to focus your abundance energy right now.
Okay, so let's take a look at this abundance spread. The first card that I have for you pulling here is at the top. What is my connection to abundance right now? So we can focus on abundance in a lot of ways, and sometimes we hold a lot of expectations on abundance, or we attach ourselves too firmly to a specific expectation, like I just said, or an idea, or we're focusing on abundance in one way, and that attachment might not be so great. That connection might not be so great. So what is your connection to abundance right now? Then we're looking sort of at past, present, future. What past influence is contributing to abundance? What present influence is contributing to abundance? And what future influence is contributing to abundance? So this can be things from your past, such as childhood memories, past life stuff, past adulthood stuff. These can be things right now that are contributing to your abundance. They can be emotional situations, they can be work situations, household things, environmental things, societal things, and then the future. What are you worried about? What's stressing you out? What's keeping you awake at night? And then what area of life is your abundance energy best focused on right now? So many of us tend to focus our abundance energy on money, but we are better served often to focus on an abundance of care or love or happiness or gratitude or joy. All of those things. So, what area of life is your abundance energy best focused on right now? So, check into this spread and see, what is happening in your life around abundance at this moment.
All right, thanks so much for checking out that video about our tarot spread. You can find the printable over on our blog. You can find the link to that right here underneath or around this video. Be sure to like and subscribe wherever you are watching this video, and share with anybody that you think might be interested in inspecting their abundance energy right now. And share with us over on social media using the hashtag #TheSistersEnchanted if you use this spread and find it really valuable for you and learn something great. We'd love to check it out. Until next time, I hope you have an enchanted rest of your day ahead.